got it. I don't know how to say it, but at least I know who it is. All right, so there were 6 points for the answer to the definition. I wanted you to say sociological, okay, in some form. And if you look back, we went over sociological in the multiple choice. Remember, the test fits together. Don't go through and answer the questions and say, oh, I don't know the answer to that. The answer to most of the essay questions were contained in the answers to the multiple choice. You got to think about that. Okay, so points were 1, sociological, 2, intentional, 3, influence, 4, guided activities, 5, mutual goal, and 6, interdependence. You had to say those somehow. Those are the 6 keys to understanding leadership. And I took a wide range of things. I mean, I read some, if you'll pardon my language, I read some real crap to find out if you said something like anything near guided activities, like framework, or anything like that, I took it. Because I was looking hard, but I wanted those 6 distinct parts. Then the fourth part, or excuse me, the next 4 points is why is this important for a school of management? And a lot of you do what students do all over the world. You read the first part of the question and you answer that, and then you throw away the last part of the question. A lot of you never even addressed that last part of the question, which was worth 4 points. I wanted you to say that leadership was important in a school of management because we're talking about the leadership of organizations, the leadership of groups, the leaderships of teams, and leadership is the key component in the issue of performance. Those were the things I was looking for. Okay, let me say those again because I want you to think about this. I wanted you to talk about why do we teach leadership in a school of management? Because we're concerned about the leadership of the organization, the leadership of groups, the leadership of teams, and the key component to organizational performance is what? Leadership. Okay? So if you got that, you got 10 points. Now I tried to write on each one of your essays, when I took a point off, I tried to write what I took it off for. So if you see at the top, you see sociological, intentional, or interdependence, or whatever, then you got a point off for each one of those. I grade these so you can go back and learn from these. I don't just check off points and then throw them away. This time is very valuable for you to reflect upon what we've done so far together. I would love to walk out of this class with higher than a 75 average in this class. That would make me feel good. And I think we can do this, but I think we're going to have to work together. And I think you all are capable. There's nothing different about you as students than students in the US, the UK, Canada, China, you pick. But we got to do this together. The biggest problem is in the 6 people that aren't here. You can't learn anything if you don't come to class. It's real simple. And I tell you, I could do a multiple regression. I could take the grades and regress them against your attendance, and I bet you'd find almost a perfect correlation. All right.